Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and in today's recorded session here, this is my live traded session from Friday the 21st of January, and I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I didn't post this video Friday because I believe I posted another one. So what I'm looking at here, this is the 1 minute, excuse me, not 1 minute, the 1 hour chart here, and you can see price. I'm circling around that area there. Price pulled back to that rectangle area there, and that provided an opportunity on the 1 hour if you try to trade out the 1 hour chart to actually go long up into that circled area there at 44.70. So that could have been a nice little if you swing trade or little opportunity to kind of take a longer entry there. Again, this is off the 1 hour chart here, so these are 1 hour bars. Okay. And I appreciate everyone who's been watching the videos and following the channel as well. If you sub to the channel already, thank you. And if you like the videos and the content, I appreciate that. If you're new to the channel, guys, please take the time to go ahead and sub to the channel and drop me a like as well on the video. So I am showing you an area using those arrows. That rectangle area there is a pullback. Okay, this is a price breaking above, entering through a swing back to the upside, pulling back to a level of demand. Okay. All right. So these are my charts here: 1 hour, 12 range, and 4 range. This is the Emini S&P 500 traded session from Friday the 21st, as I just stated. Okay. And that was a trade off of the 1 hour chart. So it doesn't really matter the time frame. I can trade off of any time frame, pretty much using the same strategy, just using the pullback strategy to support resistance and looking for supply demand areas. Okay, I'm marking off a zone right now. It's below the high volume area. You can see here at 44.50. That is a half number, so price tends to like to react at half and round numbers. Let's see what happens here. I believe price kind of breaks through this area here. It did reject off of it. Okay. Yep. And then it came back, pull back, boom. You can take an entry there long. Now price is breaking through it to the downside. Okay. So that could have been a little long entry back up to the 44.55 area as I just circled. All right. Price is coming a little lower. We wanted to see it pull back into an area of demand. This is a swing to the downside, to the left hand of the chart there, and price is, pulling back to this area where I'm marking it. May pull back to this area here, right below the little high volume area there. To the right, you see a volume profile. That is a volume profile that I use, or it's a script from Disco Trading is the name of the company. I'm not sponsored by them in any kind of way, but I just want to let you guys know because I get a lot of questions about the VP of the volume profile tool that I use. Okay, so to me, let's see here. Price really hasn't tapped 100%. Let's see. Into the demand area yet, which is support. So price can come a little lower. We'll see what happens. Always wait for the pullback, guys. It's just a simple pullback strategy that I use. Price pulling back to an area of support. Okay. Okay, price is down to the area of demand right now, so we'll see what happens here. If we get rejection, wait for the rejection. Just don't take the trade as soon as it hits that area or zone. Okay, all right, boom. I'm very late on the entry here. Okay, there we go. Quick little trade. circling the area there, the area of demand there. I was late on the entry, so still took a little profit there. Price could push up and test the around the 52 area, I believe, 51 area right there. It could pause right there, or it could pull a little higher. But okay, in this case it did. What I'm showing you now is price moved to the downside, swinging to the downside. Okay, this is an area where price bounced at, pushed to the upside, and then pulled back to an area of demand. So that swing there, okay. So all that again is just a pullback to an area of demand right there, using the rectangle. I'm marking it off. Okay. Swing to the downside, followed up by price breaking back to the swing to the upside on a pullback back to the 44, 43, 42 area. Okay. And I've mentioned this in several of my videos, guys. I trade just looking at pullbacks. Wait for the opportunity, following price action, looking at market structure, wait for price to break structure, and then price pulling back to that area. Okay. And wait for the rejection. All right. So let me see here. Okay. Take a long entry here. Boom, boom, in and out of the trade right there. All right. And once again, this is the recorded session, my recorded trading session from January 21st. I think I had little issues. I was marking, trying to use the drawing tool from the wrong chart. Okay, price push. This is showing you the swing to the downside. Okay, then price breaks the swing. Okay, then pulls back to an area. Okay, that I'm interested in and take a long from. All right, I'm going short here. Okay, just back down to around the 45 area. Price can react when it gets back down to that 45 area. Okay, first contract field. Okay. Should come on down there and hit that contract. And it'll probably come on down to 45. Price likes to break through, move through a high volume area through a low volume area back to a high volume area. Use that as a tip or a hint, guys. Using the volume profile, pay attention to volume. All right. I'm short here. All right. There we go. Okay, I'm going to show you the drawing it out for you in this instance here. Price pushing up, pulling back, pushing higher, pulling back, pushing higher, stair stepping to the upside. Okay, pulls back. I'm waiting for price to break this area here. It just took out that little low there, right there, that swing I just circled around, and there you go. I'm drawing it out. When price broke that low there, I went short for price to come on down to 44.50. All right. Right now, price is at an area where it just bounced at. You can see a little area demand there. All right. Using these arrows to show you the entries that I taken. Pretty much just drawing out the diagram. Like I said, you want to see price re-break structure, look for the pullback and rejection, and take your trade. It's a continuation long that I'm taking here to the upside, just to test the 44.55 area, pretty much somewhere around there. Based on a pullback to demand. Right there, I'm drawing a rectangle. That's demand. Got it. Price could push a little higher here. Okay, it tested 44.54, can't bounce there. All right. Price is simply bouncing off of here. Support right here. Want to see it pull back down to where that rectangular box is, right around 44.35. And that's an area of demand. Not sure if we can get it though, but we'll see. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. On my headset here, I may sound a little more close in or close to you because I'm using microphone off my headset. So the strategy is easy to use. It's just a simple pullback strategy. That's all I'm doing. Looking for price to pull back to basically breaking structure, pulling back to areas of support and resistance. But pretty much I'm looking for it to pull back into that swing on a pullback, like what that rectangle box is right there, 44.35. That's an area of demand there. Let's see if we get there. Okay, price is kind of moving sideways here. It's bouncing straight off the area of area of resistance. Excuse me, support. Okay. Alright. So this was a pullback to 44.45. Price bounce, reacted at that area. Because there was a little area of demand sitting right where that purple line is at. Pretty good trading day today. Gave opportunity to take pretty much a lot of solid trades, and came out pretty good profit for today. Just wanted to, I'm doing these videos because I want to be able to, other individuals out there that are looking to do this full time, even to do it part time to make a profit or make an income from it, guys. If this is not for you, then hey, just don't follow the channel or follow the videos. I try to provide great content that's based on the strategy that I use of price just pulling back to areas of support. High probability is areas of resistance and support, and I primarily like to trade from the supply and demand areas. So if this is not for you, then wish you good luck and hopefully find a strategy that actually works for you. But solid strategy. It's a solid strategy that works for me every single day. And I have tons of videos on my channel, 100 plus videos that show that I use it every day and that the strategy actually works. Okay. At this point here, my volume profile to the right hand side has disappeared, and I didn't take the time to reload the script because it takes a little while. But okay, price is definitely moving sideways right now. And let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay, price is trying to pull higher, move higher. Alright, it's breaking structure to the upside. Taking out a swing right there around 44.59 area. That red line is at. Okay, he's trying to move higher. Alright. Okay, we got a high sitting right there at 44.66. The price is trying to break through. Okay. And that was an area of supply sitting there. The price broke through it. And the market is trying to push higher. Just created a swing to the upside. Okay. 44.70, you got to watch that area there. That is a hitting pivot area that a lot of traders don't know about. Yes, in this video here, I do not have my webcam up. I currently had some technical difficulties with my webcam, and I'm waiting for a part to come in. New cord, USB cord, so I can reattach. Had some issues with an extension of my webcam. The USB cable on my webcam extension off of it. It got damaged, so I'm having to replace that. So hopefully I have my webcam back up soon. But until then, I'll just be trading the screen and doing a recorded session, narrating pretty much, or talking. Okay. Yeah. Price does appear that it's trying to break higher, doesn't it? Okay. Just rejecting the highs right there. Top of that swing. Just rejecting that area, guys. Let's see. Okay, I took a short entry here. A little scalp just down to 44.65 pretty much. Because it could bounce there. Rejection from the tops. Taking a little heat on the trade here. Should wait for the pullback. I took it as price broke the lows there. And should have waited for the pullback, but didn't. So, wait for the pullback, okay? And then price pull back to around the 44.72 area. Then look for the opportunity to go short. Okay. Alright. Got filled in a little trade there, but like I said, wait for that pullback. Wherever you get rejection There we go. Marking off of that rectangular box. Wait for the rejection, guys. Okay. This was an area of, let's see here what we got. Definitely area of resistance there. Swing top high. Okay. Wait for the rejection, pull back to that area there to look for an opportunity to go short if you're going to go short. Testing that area. I'm circling around. Okay. Yes, my strategy may be different than your strategy, but you know, I'm a pure price action trader. I look at price patterns or price movements. I study the, price movement throughout the session and just look for price to pull back. Once it breaks structure, pull back to an area. Just like I stated earlier, pull back to an area where it could potentially, reject that or have some reaction at. Once I see the reaction or the rejection, I'll let price make its movement, and then on the pullback, I'll take the entry, either short or long. All right. Price is moving sideways at this point here. Okay. Looking for a little reaction out of this area here. 44, 65, 66 area here. When I just marked that with that rectangular, blue rectangle. Going along for a quick entry just to about the 69 area. Okay. A bounce from area, small area demand down there below. Okay. There was a little swing to the downside, and then price broke structure back going to the upside. Getting ready to show you right now. Price swings down, pulls back, swings lower, break structure going back to the upside. Okay, pulls back to the demand area, and I look for the rejection. You can switch over at that point there, look at your 4 range, and take your trade. Just back to the 69.70 area. Okay, simple stuff, guys. Nothing too. It's not rocket science. quick long entry here, pullback, price breaking structure to the upside. Want to pull back to the swing level below. Okay. It's a test of support there. I'm drawing out each one of the trades that I take. Boom, boom. Price pushing, make a swing to the upside, breaking structure on a pullback. Look for the entry to go long. Marking that area there. Boom. Long. Take the trade long. Okay, price is breaking the highs right there at 77, 78. Okay. Look at the left hand. Okay, let's see here. At this point, I'm looking at all the opportunities I marked off with the rectangle areas that I could take trades from. Okay. Price is pulling back into an area of resistance above. If you look at the left hand of your chart there, swing, the small swing moving to the downside. So price could tuck back into that area and hit that area. Let's see. There's a swing right there, so we have resistance right here. I'm showing you right now. Okay. Price is pretty much bouncing off of it right now. May go a little higher. It's about the 87, 88 area. Going short, price was rejected from the tops of that swing I showed you. Okay, around the 87, 88 area. Boom, 2 points in on one contract, and on the second contract, price is going to bounce right here. We have support right below us. Okay, price, that was an area of resistance above there. It was an area of demand, supply above. The price bounced at. Okay. And I believe I'm going to show you probably using, yep, that there area there is a resistance area. Okay. All right. Price pulling back to the area of support here. I'm price can push lower than this. Come lower. Yep, see me taking a short. It's down to 75, 74. A quick little entry there. Okay, there's a little swing level right below there. Where it could bounce at, but okay. See, now it pushed a little lower. It's pushing back into that area of demand now. Yeah, price can still come lower though. Be careful. Right here. That's the area of demand. Couple ticks off of it, away from it, from hitting it. Okay, went long here. Wait for the pullback though, guys. I'm aggressive, so I went long early. Looking for price to test that 44.75, possibly 44.76 area.